Hello, how are you? Welcome to a new installment of your Pharmacy Assistant. On this occasion, we would talk about what it is used for and how it is used. So let's take a look.
Hi everyone. Today we're going to talk about Otilonium Bromide, a medicine that can be a big help if you have irritable bowel syndrome or other digestive problems. Otilonium Bromide is used to treat several conditions like irritable bowel syndrome, gastritis, gastroduodenitis, enteritis, and even some problems in the esophagus. If you have frequent stomach pain or intestinal spasms, your doctor might prescribe this medicine for you. But how exactly does it work? Otilonium Bromide works by relaxing the muscles in your gut. Imagine that you are giving your digestive system a break. This helps reduce the pain and discomfort that spasms cause. Now let's talk about how to take it. You normally start with a dose of 40 milligrams 3 times a day before meal. Once your symptoms get better, your doctor may adjust the dose to keep you feeling well. It's important to always follow your doctor's instruction. Like any medicine, Otilonium Bromide can have some side effects. Some people experience dry mouth, dizziness, or nausea. Also, it's very important that you don't take this medicine if you're allergic to any of its ingredients. If you notice any bad effects, talk to your doctor right away. To sum it up, Otilonium Bromide can be very effective if used correct. Follow your doctor's instructions and don't hesitate to ask them any questions you may have. Take care and see you next time.
If you've made it this far, let us know in the comments why you're using this medicine.